Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to build your first AI workflow in Barry's AI using the Playground feature. To get started, go to the menu on the left and click on Playground. Here you'll see templates and your previous projects. To create a new one, click Create Playground. Now we're inside a new workspace. This is your canvas, where you can build your workflow using Node. To begin, click Add Node, or the plus button on the left. In Barry's AI, there are several types of nodes you can use, such as text, image, video, audio, and more. Since we want to generate an image from text, we'll start with a text node. Click Text, then write your prompt. For example, you can describe the image with details like style, lighting, and mood. Once your prompt is ready, we can generate the image. Click the small icon on the side of the node, then drag it out. You'll see a list of node options. Choose Image. Now the image generator node is connected to your text node. Here you can select the model you want to use. For example, I'm using a model like Seedream. You can also adjust settings like aspect ratio, resolution, and number of outputs. There are a few ways to manage your prompt in the image generator. You can edit it directly in the node settings. Use a text node like we're doing now, or use the prompt helper. Once everything is set, click Run to generate your image. The system will process all connected nodes, and your result will appear on the canvas. As your workflow grows, you'll notice the connections between nodes. Text connections are shown in green, and image connections are in blue, making it easier to follow the flow. If you want to take it further, you can add a video node from the image output. The generated image can be used as a start frame, and you can also add an end frame if needed. Then just add your video prompt and click Run to generate the video. As your workflow becomes more complex, you can keep things organized by arranging your nodes on the canvas. You can also rename your project at the top. And if you want to collaborate, click the Share button in the top right. You can invite your team and work together in real time. When you go back to the Playground page, all your projects will be saved there. And that's it! You've just learned how to build a basic workflow in Barry's AI from text to image and even to video. Now it's your turn to explore and experiment. The more you build, the more powerful it becomes. See you in the next tutorial.